Raptors, and welcome to Wake Up Raptors, your quick hit news update for everything happening at the Future Fiction Academy. I'm Cassie.
And I'm Melissa. This week's energy is revision with intent. Creativity favors decisive cuts and bold repackaging over endless tinkering. Pick one piece and ask, is this serving the story or the ego? For business, focus on one reusable asset, a chapter, a short story, or a hook, and make it work across three channels. Warning, chasing every new trend or every piece of feedback will dilute your voice faster than a bad edit. For this week's outcome, prune the noise. Run one small experiment, and you'll finish the week with actionable data and a cleaner draft. Now, let's get right into it because there's a lot happening.
We have some breaking news today. We have two free courses available right now. The first is Introduction to Raptor Write version 1.0. This is the best place to start if you're curious about using AI for writing, but don't want chaos, burnout, or 20 browser tabs open at once. It walks you through how Raptor Write actually works as a system and not just a tool. The second free course is Kit Bashing with AI and Raptor Write version 1. This one is all about existing ideas, tropes, and concepts and recombining them in a way that's intentional and original. It's especially helpful if you struggle with blank pages or stories that feel like they lose the plot halfway through. Both of those are completely free, available right now. The links are going to be below in the description. We are also running a 50% off discount on 5 classes for a limited time. You can use the coupon code New Year at checkout and make sure it's all caps. Those classes are Building a Dark Romance Story Dossier, where we break down how to design dark romance stories with clear structure, tone, and boundaries. Building a writing team in Claude Projects, which shows you how to set up an AI assisted writing workflow that actually supports your process instead of replacing it. An introduction to Obsidian, which covers using Obsidian as a long term writing and world building system. An introduction to Claude Code, which gives you a beginner friendly look at how code based tools can support creative workflows without needing a tech background, and exploring the narrative physics engine from ours truly, Stacy, which teaches you how to treat story as a system of forces, constraints, and points of no return so both humans and AI can work within the same narrative logic. Everything mentioned is linked below in the description, so you can check it out whenever you're ready. For those of you that are considering the membership, the Accelerator serves as the central hub for all Future Fiction Academy offerings. Members receive access to every standalone course, live Q&A sessions, access to all tools created by the FFA, a free YFD token, and additional classes ranging from foundational workflows to advanced automation, publishing strategies, and marketing systems that did not make the transition into standalone classes. The accelerator is where the full ecosystem comes together, and the link to join is available in the description down below. Speaking of accelerator, here is Alyssa.
This week's focus is on prose, diagnostics, specifically sentence craftsmanship, rhythm, readability, and how your dialogue is functioning on the page. If you can name what your sentences are doing, length, structure, punctuation habits, passive voice, clause chaining, you can fix it. You can fix what the AI is doing wrong. Pick a manuscript or a few chapters from a current draft you're working on, and then run the following prompt in your preferred AI. So we're going to test out today inside of ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my manuscript. If only I can remember where I put it. YFD and final manuscript. There we go. And then the prompt is as follows. Analyze the attached for the following. 1. Sentence craftsmanship. Identify dominant sentence patterns, simple, compound, complex, typical sentence length, clause chaining, punctuation habits, commas, splices, semicolons, em dashes, modifier stacking, use of passive voice, and common syntactic templates, including 10 quoted examples with annotation explaining why each works or weakens clarity/voice. 2. Rhythm and readability. Provide rough metrics, average sentence length, percentage long sentences that are greater than 30 words, paragraph length patterns, and describe pacing effects. 3. Narration versus dialogue. Estimate dialogue to prose ratio by word count, note where dialogue clusters, and describe how dialogue functions, conflict, exposition, characterization. We're going to go ahead and send that. And here is the analysis. Remember, you're not trying to perfect the prose or anything like that. The goal is to get actionable data about your sentence level habits so you can provide the AI with more details on how you would like your prose to be crafted beyond the tone.
That's all for this week's update. Make sure to like and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with the latest FFA news. Also, leave a comment on what kind of tips and tricks you would like to see in the future. Was this prompt helpful for you? Thanks for watching us, Raptors, and we'll see you in the next Wake Up Raptors. Bye.